You know, I always wanted to look at the sea during winter. Ice and snow. Feels like Antarctica. But you don't have to go there, because you can find it in Latvia. Let's break the ice first with the capital. Diverse history of the city is well represented in the architecture. You can find here the signs of German, Polish, and Swedish empires. Some animals have left their signs here as well, for instance, cats. And even famous Bremen musicians are here. As Bremen musicians, we like to travel. That's why we are heading to the beach in Jurmala. Jurmala is a quite popular resort during the summer, but now it's in a deep winter sleep. I imagine that these streets are quite busy in high season, but now only lonely and cold monuments are here. However, there is a place in Latvia which is worth visiting all year long. It's Sigulda area. This hilly area has an entertainment for any taste. We decided to visit a bobsleigh track. We are not able to have a ride today. Instead, we walk from the top to the bottom and explore it. Despite the fact that we have to climb up to our car, it's a nice experience. Let's hurry up until it's too dark, because we still need to visit the castles nearby. Sigulda castle is already 800 years old, and as you can see, not everything remained untouched. We are also eager to come in contact with the medieval history. Turaida is translated as Thor's garden. Even if there is a garden due to the fog, we can see it. There is something that fog can't hide: the history of the castle. The museum of the castle can show it in a clear way. There is one place in Latvia that looks really interesting even on the map. It's Cape Kolka. Stereotypes about Latvia are like ice, and it always melts when you come here. Under the ice, there is a country which you could never imagine.